In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fine-grained customization of configuration data when process sharing. First, I need to show this disclaimer slide. So I'm going to start off this demonstration with two project areas already set up. The first project area provides shared process and was created using the Scrum template. The second project area consumes the process from a provider and was created using the unconfigured process template. I've created a work item of type defect in the consumer project area, and as you can see, there are 4 possible values for priority. Let's suppose that I want to add a 5th value, medium high. I can do this using fine-grained customization of configuration data. If you go to our wiki page, you can see a page which describes how this works. And it also has some recipes that you can use. In this case, I want to use the recipe for adding an enumeration literal. That recipe can be found in the customization examples section. So I'm going to go to that recipe right now. And here it is. So this is a chunk of XML which I'm going to add to the configuration spec. And I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go to the process specification tab of my consumer project area, and I'm going to insert a data element because I don't have one yet, and I'm going to insert the XML. I'll then refer back to the wiki. This will give me guidance on what changes to make. In this case, I've determined that I need to go to the provider project area and copy priority, which is the ID of the containing enumeration. Copy that and paste it into the consuming project area. I also want to pick up the ID of the element, which is going to be the predecessor. I want medium high to appear after medium, so I pick up the ID of medium. And I go ahead and substitute that next in the consumer. Finally, I specify an ID for my new literal, and it's really important that this ID is not the same as any ID which already exists or is likely to be created in the provider. And for this reason, I'm including the name of the consumer project area in the ID. And I'm going to delete the last 2 attributes since I don't need them for this particular demo. So let's see what happens after I save this project area and create a work item. So I'm going to create a defect again, and when I look at values for priority, you can see that medium high is now an option. So I've shown that I can customize in the consumer. But what really sets Delta configuration apart is that if I was to then go ahead and customize the priority in the provider again, and in this case I'm going to add a new priority called medium low. And I'm going to move it up so it's in the right order. If I go ahead and save that, so I've now made 1 change in the provider project and 1 change in the consumer project area. If I go ahead and create a new work item, it will actually contain the customizations from the provider as well as customizations from a consumer. And so now I see you have both medium low and medium high. So this is what fine-grained customization is all about. It means that you can customize your consumer or customize the provider or do both. I hope you found this demonstration useful, and thanks for watching.